Leave letter, you can write like this. From the address of the student, complete house number and the area. Then you can to whom you're writing the letter, to the principal, school name, address, and state. Then you can write the date. After that, subject is really important. You can write like this: request regarding leave for being absent for 3 days due to ill health. Then put a salutation, respected sir and madam. Then the body of the letter, you can start like this. I, Arif Ali Khan, studying in class 10th, would like to inform you that I couldn't attend the school from so and so date as I was suffering from cold, cough, and severe fever. I was under medical treatment and my doctor has advised me to take complete bed rest. Then, for your studies, you can add the following points. For the loss of my classes and any pending work or assignments, as a responsible student, I ensure you that I will complete it as early as possible and submit the work to the concerned subject teachers. Then end up the letter by writing, therefore, I humbly request you to kindly grant me leave for my absence obliged. I shall be very much thankful to you for your kind consideration. Thanking you, yours obediently, Arif Ali Khan, class, section, and roll number you can put. This is how you can complete writing the letter. Then, if on the parent side, if the leave letter is written by parents, then it will be written like this. From address of the parents, complete address, to the principal, school name, full address, then put a date, then subject, request regarding leave for being absent for 3 days due to ill health. Salutation, respected sir, madam, and start the body of the letter like this. I have to state that my son Arif Ali Khan, studying in class 10th of your school, he couldn't attend the school from 17/7/2026 to 19/7/2026 as he was suffering from cold, cough, and severe fever. These 3 days he was under medical treatment as a doctor has advised him to take complete bed rest. We didn't send him to school. For the loss of his classes and any pending work or assignments, as a responsible parents, we ensure you that he will complete it as early as possible and submit the work to the concerned subject teachers. End of the letter like this. Therefore, I humbly request you to kindly grant him leave for his absence obliged. I shall be thankful to you for your understanding this matter. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, parent signature you can give. Okay? If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends as well.